Hello, I'm Mike Fitzgerald with Bobcat Company. Let's learn how to find attachment operation tips in your machine's display. The optional 7-inch touch display for R-Series Bobcat loaders has basic operating information and helpful tips for many attachments. This information can help familiarize you with new attachments or rentals. It can also provide a quick refresher for attachments you only use occasionally. Before we get started with the display information, I always like to remind operators that they need to refer to the approved attachments list for your machine before operating any attachment on it.
Now on the display, select Attachments on your display screen. Scroll up or down and select the desired attachment. The basic control information for the attachment is shown here. Some attachments have more than one screen of operating instructions. Select the left or right arrow icons to view the additional information. Scroll down to read the tooltips that can help you use the attachment more efficiently.
Now you know how to find helpful operation tips for your Bobcat attachments. For more information, see your operation and maintenance manual, talk to your local Bobcat dealer, or visit bobcat.com.